Can I ask you a question? Have you had enough of all the drugs, pills, and insulin for your type 2 diabetes? I thought so. If you are like most type 2 diabetics, you know what it's like to having to measure your blood sugar, prick your finger, or watch what you eat on a daily basis. By living with diabetes and taking your prescribed medication, you understand you are under the constant daily threat of dying of a heart attack, stroke, kidney failure, or succumbing to blindness, threatened with amputations, hypertension, nerve system disease, high cholesterol, depression, and even falling into a coma. No one should have to live like that. Until recently, the only solution for those with type 2 diabetes trying to manage their diabetes was to either take medication or to inject insulin daily. However, let's face it, the problem with this option is that drugs treat symptoms, not the disease. So, what would you say if there are scientifically proven methods to help you stop, reverse, and even cure disease without the use of drugs, pills, or surgery? Well, there is. And it is detailed for you in this easy-to-read health guide, called The 7 Steps to Health, The Big Diabetes Lie. By simply using this step-by-step guide, you too can learn the truth about these, life-changing scientifically proven, diabetes treatment methods, and embark on the path to kicking your diabetes for good. And we have a special offer for you. We have a time-limited discounted special offer for you, but we'll get later. But, if you can't wait, there is a link below in the description that will take you directly to this limited offer. Take your health back into your own hands. Free yourself from the shackles of constant blood sugar readings, daily drug regimens, and even prevent the horrible health complications that await diabetics down the road. Last year, the team of doctors and specialists behind The 7 Steps to Health, The Big Diabetes Lie, helped over 43,542 type 2 diabetics gain control of their blood sugar levels and insulin sensitivity. It has already been used to help tens of thousands of diabetics all over the world and allowed many of them to be taken off prescription drugs and stop blood sugar monitoring. This year they are on track to help over 100,000 diabetics achieve the impossible. This dedicated team have assembled hundreds of suppressed scientific studies and powerful medical research and developed an easy-to-read step-by-step health guide for you. Would you like to see some of the topics covered in this groundbreaking guide? Okay, here we go. Page 50, How you can strengthen your immune system by changing a few things in your diet. Page 47, Learn to distinguish between healthy fats and unhealthy fats. Omega-3, omega-6, saturated fats, unsaturated fats, which are healthy, and which do you need to stay away from? Page 43, How this common sweetener may depress the immune system, lead to insulin resistance, promote inflammation in the body, contribute to non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Page 48, The reason why most people are always hungry, and the simple step you can take to reduce your food cravings to almost nothing. Page 61, Find out the truth about protein, energy and meal replacement bars that the industry does not want you to know about. Loaded with dangerous fillers, preservatives, colors and sweeteners. Page 311, Knowing how keeping your body's pH level normalized is your key to preventing most diseases: cardiovascular, diabetes, cancer, hormone imbalance, immune deficiency, kidney problems, headaches, etc. Learn a simple method to test your body's pH level and how you can easily keep it within safe levels. The response to the book has been incredible. Here's just a few of the hundreds of comments received from people around the world. My diabetic blood sugar levels are lowering, won't be long till they are normal, thank you, Henry M. Read this right through. Applied a lot of the suggestions from a blood sugar of 25.2. I began dropping as low as 7.3 and the highest so far 15 when I ate out. Plan to continue with the changes. Trillion. Very helpful. My sugar count has reduced after only 2 weeks. Jar. Brilliant book, should be read by the masses. M. McRae. Still not completely sure? Okay, then let me ask you this. Has your doctor ever offered you a written guarantee? A guarantee about the drugs you take? Do they guarantee results? The 7 Steps to Health does. It comes with a 100% 60-day money-back guarantee. This means if you're not completely happy with the 7 steps to health, for any reason within the first 60 days, that's 2 months, you will be fully reimbursed, no questions asked. It is quite obvious that drugs and injections aren't helping eliminate diabetes. How long have you been taking prescription drugs and injecting insulin? It has been decades since these treatments came out. And yet the rates of diabetes aren't decreasing, they're actually growing. Isn't it time to try something else? Something that's been scientifically proven to work better, faster and is cheaper and safer than prescription drugs. Tried and tested methods that attack the root cause of diabetes. The team behind this groundbreaking publication couldn't just sit there and watch as millions of diabetics suffer their whole lives, wasting money on useless treatments, and even then still die of horrible complications. You deserve to know the truth about the medical system, the food and drug system, and public health policy. You deserve to be informed about the variety of safer, cheaper and faster methods, other than drugs, injections or surgery for treating and beating your diabetes. We'd like to share with you this framework of knowledge that you can use to begin your path to health today. You can take your health back into your own hands. You can free yourself from the shackles of constant blood sugar readings, daily drug regimens and even prevent the horrible health complications that await diabetics down the road. So grab your copy of the 7 Steps to Health today now and learn the truth about these life-changing scientifically proven diabetes treatment methods. So you are now probably thinking, how much is this going to cost me? Thanks to the economics of the internet and because 7 Steps to Health is not available in bookstores, book distributors and retail stores, double a book's real cost, we're able to bring you this fantastic library of diabetes healing information at a rock-bottom price. Regular price of our book is $142.99, but you will not be paying that much using our special offer link below in the description. Your price today is just $37 for the electronic copy or $54 for the paperback copy with free worldwide shipping. The digital copy can be read on your iPad, Amazon Kindle or any other ebook reader, or even right on your home computer. It can also be printed out on your printer. If you choose the paperback package, your book will be professionally printed on demand just for you by a book publishing company and delivered to you within 7 to 14 days. The choice is up to you. Remember, this guide comes with the 100% satisfaction guarantee that after you begin the program, your blood sugar will begin to normalize, your diabetes symptoms will start going away and your doctor will begin lowering your medication dosages or you get your money back. You have absolutely nothing to lose. So click the link in the description below and start your journey today.